just a lovely, friendly reminder that on January 25th, which is this coming Wednesday at 5:45, we are having our nutrition workshop. So again, this nutrition workshop is if you just want to learn a little bit about food, you want some good dinner menu ideas, you want some simple things that you can incorporate, but most importantly, you want to get an idea of how to be eating that is something that you can sustain, right? None of this like crazy one-sided diet or overeating over here, just something simple, some simple steps that you can take to, of course, make sure that your nutritional game is where it needs to be. I was talking to someone earlier today, and the one thing that I keep finding one too many times, we are under eating and we are overstressed. So I just want you to take a minute and think about what that truly does to our body. That's not gonna help us heal. That's not gonna help our organs function better. That's not gonna help our brain, our gut, none of it. So if you fall into that category, or if you have no idea you fall into that category, this might be a really good class to attend. So just a reminder to RSVP with Laura at the front desk. We do have a sign-up sheet. You can also, of course, RSVP just to this email right back. But we are looking forward to seeing you this Wednesday, January 25th, 5:45 p.m. for our nutrition workshop.